Good morning. So we're gonna go grab some coffee and head over to the campground. Here's kind of a look of what the pre-campsite looked like, or our pre-buses by the bridge camp out at Eric's house. Good morning.
Good morning.
Was it cold?
No.
I was nice. I had one blanket on.
Yeah. And even this morning when I got up, I had the doors wide open.
Did you shower and stuff and clean?
Yeah, I already did.
You and Mike both got a shower. I should go take a shower. All right, so we just left Eric's house, stopped off and got some breakfast burritos and sandwiches, and now we are heading over to get in line. We heard last night they cut the line off at about 300 buses around 10 o'clock last night, so it's going to be a full event. A couple of years ago, I was bus 260 rolling in around 10 a.m. on Thursday morning, so they were well over 300 Wednesday night. So there's gonna be a lot of buses here this year. So we are basically about a mile away. We're gonna pull in now and go set up camp. So there's a super long line still at almost 11 o'clock. I usually roll in here around 10 or 11 Thursday morning and we roll right in. This is crazy. There are so many people here already. It's gonna be huge.
Good morning, brother.
How are you? Oh, good to see you. Hey, do you only wear those shoes once a year?
Yes. Seriously.
Thank you.
Make me a shirt and I'll wear them more often.
You have dog bags? Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you in there. All right, so it looks like we got the campsite all set up.
Hey, we're here.
I might call like it says on the box, the last one you'll ever buy. World's biggest 49ers fan? Shut up, you got here, boss. Look at you. That's it. Tell me about this. Let me just buy the egg.
Just gonna go, no, we have to go this way. There's a bunch more.
Is this guy fishing for his next hit or something?
Did you do it?
And then he leads you down a path of.
So did you work
But here's my website. You didn't even really need to separate it. You could have just added.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here's something. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna grab that and that one.
Friday morning, buses by the bridge cranking. I think they're like 600 buses already. Morning. campsite, dude. Oh, look at this rad. Oh, this is awesome.
Stand over here, dude.
Dude, look, it's like normal people size.
Dude, this is game changer, dude.
Poles and everything BBT?
Yeah.
All
so,
BBT.
So BBT, yeah, even the mounts are BBT.
Those are rad. I just want to let you know how happy I was watching the drill bit go through your roof.
We had his bus where I was making templates off of it because that's a factory West Valley.
That's so rad.
He's like, where does it go? I go, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna do it where it looks good.
Oh, because you have press bumpers, so it's a little different.
Yeah, it's different.
It's Jim, right? Is it Jim?
Yeah, my Uncle Jim.
Yeah, Jim's always Rex. He's really quick. They call me.
Say hi to Juan over here at Resto Bus Parts.
Thank you. Oh, what's up, Andy?
How are you?
Good to see you, man.
All right, who else needs a lantern to work on?
Says it worked.
Famous last
His name was Honest John. How about that? No,
Honest John. Honest John. Oh shit. We are screwed.
right? Right? I'll take the paper.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that should go inside.
Yeah, you shouldn't like that. Cool. All right, let's see if Honest John's as honest as it says it is. Oh, this is a J.
Yeah, I'm sure it's newer. I didn't pay a whole lot.
76.
Oh, okay.
It's 50 years old, but it's new in the lantern.
Easy, I'm 76. I don't want to hear that yet. I'm still 49.
Does that feel? Throw manholes on it. It feels passive, so.
Good old Honest John.
All right. Nicest guy I ever met.
Alright, throw some manholes on, see what happens.
Are you guys here every year?
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably like our 10th year, maybe? That's awesome. Maybe 8th year? The first one we came to was 2013. And we were over here, then 2014, 2016, 17, right around there is when we started doing all the lantern stuff.
We came specifically for the lantern walk.
Oh, cool. Yeah, the lantern walk is... we were sitting here and actually Sherry, I think it was her idea. One year we were into lanterns and Pete kind of got us all sucked in lanterns and Sherry's like, why don't we just go for a walk with our lanterns? And that's kind of how it started. And we just walk, and then people are like, oh, you guys go for a walk? Yeah, you come along, grab your lantern, let's go for a walk. And then the next year it was like, they're like, hey, can you do an official lantern walk? And we're like, sure, why not? And then I think the year after that, I started making a sticker. We started doing the workshop, and all that stuff. And,
Evangelinos.
yeah, the Vanagon guys.
Yeah.
I'm on your Facebook group. Yeah, I have a Vanagon. I have a Vanagon. My parents have their Vanagon. And that was his last buses by the bridge?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad you made it back. Yeah, the lantern walk's always special. It's crazy what it's developed into. Just an idea of us to just go walk with our lanterns, and then there's probably 100 times more lanterns here now than there were 10 years ago. Every time I see someone with one of these and not a flashlight, it's like a win. Oh my gosh, panorama? Oh, run over there and get a sticker if you need a sticker. What's up, guys? So Peter, start getting to put lanterns on the S. Oh wow, there's a lot more people. Yeah, there's a lot more people. It's now Saturday, day 3 of Buses by the Bridge. We had the Lantern Walk last night, and it was a huge success. We had over 400 people walking in the Lantern Walk. I made 500 stickers, and we had about 60 or 70 left over. We spelled out Stan in the sand. That was really cool for Stanley Ford, a friend who passed away earlier last year. Before the Lantern Walk, we had our Lantern Workshop. Mike and I, Martin and Pete, all worked on lanterns. I worked on half a dozen or so. Same with Mike, same with Pete. So that was kind of cool. We got to get people's lanterns back up and going, and then at the same time kind of teach them how to work on theirs on their own. So today is kind of like the big show day. Saturday's the big day for Buses by the Bridge. They got some jump houses. They're leaving on a bike ride right now. I think we're just gonna kind of hang out and chill today. No big plans. They do their raffle today at 3 o'clock, and then tomorrow morning they have one more raffle, and then we hit the road. Wind picked up a little bit last night. We had to pull the awnings down because they were just flapping so bad. Looks like the wind might get a little gnarly today, so we'll see what happens. But other than that, we're just gonna cruise around, hang out, and enjoy the rest of the day. Only 2 more days of Buses by the Bridge left, and we head back home.
What's up, kid? What's happening? How's it going?
So Buses by the Bridge is over. We are on our way out of Havasu right now. We're gonna stop and grab some gas real quick. Took the 10 to the 62 on the way out. On the way home, we're gonna take the 40. Tonight, we're gonna stop at Amboy Crater for the night. We'll get up tomorrow, maybe have breakfast in Ludlow. It was a great weekend. Everything went super smooth. Couldn't have asked for better weather. Sunny in the 70s, got a little windy on Saturday. The weather was amazing. We did have one little mishap. My buddy Miles, while we were doing the Lantern Walk, someone walked into his camp and stole his stove stand, which kind of a bummer. I mean, it's a $20 stove stand. I don't know why anyone would literally take his stove off, set it on the table, and steal the stand. But you know, the community's super awesome. I posted it up on the Buses by the Bridge Facebook page, and a guy named Michael, who was selling parts out in the parking lot, offered up his stove stand. I gave that to Miles. Miles was super grateful and appreciative for that. So great community, just a great group of people, a great event. My favorite event by far. This is my 13th Buses by the Bridge in a row, I believe, and I never planned to miss one. Thank you, London Bridge Bullies, who put it on. You guys do an amazing job. I'm very appreciative for everything you guys do and for having this event and letting us all converge on Lake Havasu. I'm fairly certain they got close to 700 buses. I know my buddy Brian came in, he was like 6:15, I believe, and he came in on Friday, so who knows who came in on Saturday, but buses were parking out in the parking lot to camp. It was packed, so that's great. They make a bunch of money. It all goes to charity. It's just awesome. So thank you for having us, and thank you for letting us do the Lantern Workshop, and thank you for letting us do the Lantern Walk, and we are very appreciative for everything you do for our little group of West Coast Bays. Anyway, hope to see you next year. Hope you enjoy the video, and from there, now we're just going to cruise across the desert, make a few stops on the way home, but we'll be home tomorrow morning. So, alrighty, have a good one. See ya.
You hear that, Pete?
What do you call this thing in my chair?
That's also Uranus.
That's Uranus too.